In this session, we will discuss about inverse transforms. We know that if L of f of t equal to f of s, then the given function f of t is called the inverse transform of f of s. That is, if L of f of t is equal to f of s, then L inverse of f of s is f of t. So, the inverse transform of f of s is f of t, the given function f of t. Consider the basic inverse transforms. We know that what is L of 1? L of 1 is equal to 1 by s. So, L inverse of 1 by s is equal to 1. Therefore, the inverse transform of 1 by s is 1. Similarly, we know that L of t raised to n divided by n factorial is 1 by s raised to n plus 1. Therefore, L inverse of 1 by s raised to n plus 1 is t raised to n divided by n factorial. Go to all the basic transforms and we can find out the basic inverse transforms. Then look at the first problem. Find the inverse transform of f of s is equal to 5s plus 1 divided by s square minus 25. First we have to split into 2. That is 5s divided by s square minus 25 plus 1 divided by s square minus 25. In the first fraction, we can take 5 is constant, we can take it outside. That is 5 into s by s square minus 25 plus 1 by s square minus 25. This is f of s. You have to find its inverse transform. So, L inverse of f of s is equal to apply L inverse on both sides. That is 5 is constant, we can take it outside. 5 into L inverse of s by s square minus 25 plus L inverse of 1 by s square minus 25. And then look at the basic formulas of basic transforms. We know that what is L of cos hat? L of cos hat is s divided by s square minus a square. So here the value of a is 5. So what is L inverse of s by s square minus 25? It is equal to 5 into cos h 5t. Since we know that L of cos h 5t is s divided by s square minus 25. Therefore, its inverse is cos h 5t. Plus then in the next term, if it is, we know that L of a divided by s square minus a square is sin h at. Here the value of a is 25. The value of a is 5. If it is of the form L inverse of 5 divided by s square minus 25, then it is of the form a divided by s square minus s square. So, multiply 1 by 5. It can be written as 1 by 5 into 5 divided by s square minus 25. We can take 1 by 5 outside since it is a constant, that is L inverse of 5 divided by s square minus 25. Therefore, it is of the form a divided by s square minus a square. We know that L of a divided by s square minus a square is sin h at. Therefore, it is 1 by 5 into sin h 5t. This is 5 cos h 5t plus, this is the inverse transform of f of s is equal to 5s plus 1 divided by s square minus 25. Then next problem is find the inverse transform of f of s divided by 6 divided by s plus 1 all cube. Before that, we know that the result, shifting property is L of e raised to at into f of t is equal to f of s minus a. So, what is e raised to at into f of t? Applying L inverse on both sides we did. It is L inverse of f of s minus a. Therefore, f of t is equal to 1 by e raised to at into L inverse of f of s minus a. Okay, what is f of t? If L of f of t is equal to f of s, therefore f of t is L inverse of f of s. Therefore L inverse of f of s is equal to 1 by e raised to at L inverse of f of s minus a. That is e raised to at into L inverse of f of s is equal to L inverse of f of s minus a. Yes, this is the result. L inverse of f of s minus a is equal to e raised to at into L inverse of f of s. Using shifting property, we can find out this result. Instead of f of s minus a, if it is f of s plus a, we can write it as L inverse of f of s plus a is equal to e raised to minus at into L inverse of f of s. These are the two standard result. Okay. So here you have to find out the inverse transform of f of s is equal to 6 divided by s plus 1 whole cube. So L inverse of f of s is equal to 6 is constant, so we can take it outside. A 6 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 whole cube. It is of the form L inverse of f of s plus a. Instead of f of s, it is f of s plus a. Using this result, L inverse of f of s plus a is e raised to minus at into L inverse of f of s. Here, what is the value of a? A is 1. Therefore, this is equal to 6 into e raised to a is 1. Therefore, it is minus t into L inverse of 1 by x cube. That is equal to 6 into e raised to minus t into, what is L inverse of 1 by s raised to n plus 1? We know that L of t raised to n divided by n factorial is 1 by s raised to n plus 1. Therefore, L inverse of 1 by s raised to n plus 1 is t raised to n divided by n factorial. Instead of n plus 1, the value is 3. Therefore, it is t raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. This is the answer.